I'm Doug Florence. I'm an engineer and I've been working in engineering all my life. I did an engineering degree, been working for various companies. For a long period I was running my own industrial automation company. I gradually found with that I had to comply with legislation. I found it sort of interesting to learn about the legislation and standards, and eventually I found I seemed to know more about it than other people, which started pointing me towards the consultancy side rather than the actual doing it. And that's a whole lot easier because you're telling other people what they're doing wrong rather than trying to get it right yourself. I find that's very interesting because Impartiality Veritas do work on a wide variety of projects. So I'm an engineer, I just enjoy seeing different types of machinery and engineering solutions to things. So I find it very interesting coming cold into a client, working out how their equipment works, then trying to think how it can be dangerous, and then trying to think how it can be made safe. So it's very satisfying in the end to feel that we're actually helping keep people safe in the workplace. Looking to the future for Impartiality Veritas, there's always going to be a demand for providing machinery safety services and CE marking or whatever replaces it after Brexit. Brexit certainly poses some challenges for notified bodies and for product safety legislation, but hopefully it also presents some opportunities. Technically, I see some interesting challenges coming up, particularly in the field of autonomous machines and interacting with robots. So things like cobots, where you're working alongside a robot, certainly provide some interesting safety challenges, and things like robotic exoskeletons, where you're actually wearing the robot, be interesting. And autonomous machines are with us now. We talk about autonomous cars, but there are already autonomous mining equipment and autonomous agricultural equipment. So it's something that we need to be addressing now. Obviously, impartiality is very important to a notified body. It's part of our accreditation criteria. So I'm a member of the Impartiality Veritas Impartiality Board. I think my very wide experience of the technical issues and also my experience of working for other notified bodies helps as well. I'm the administrator of the UK Association of Notified Bodies for Machinery, so I'm in a position to see what everybody else is doing as well, and hopefully that Impartiality Veritas is among the best. Probably the most exciting machinery project I was involved in was the engineering of a Las Vegas style show in Macau with one of these Cirque du Soleil type shows, and people don't realise quite how much engineering goes into some of these shows. So up in the ceiling of the theatre, it was an amazing theatre anyway, there are just so many winches. So basically a modern theatre putting on a show like that is a huge multi-axis CNC machine with everything working in coordination. So that was an exciting show. I really enjoy the theatrical products, and I'm hoping to do more of those in the future.